Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel BioExplorer. I am Dimujjaratna. This is an educational channel and this channel will be very useful to improve your biological knowledge. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the first step of photosynthesis, that is light dependent reactions. Metabolism is one of the characteristic features found in living organisms. All organisms need chemical energy for their metabolic activities and to maintain their life processes. But organisms can't use light energy directly for their metabolic needs. Instead, it must first be converted into chemical energy. Photosynthesis is the main process that converts light energy to chemical energy in the form of sugars. Photosystems play a key role in the light reactions. They are found in the thylakoid membranes of chloroplasts. They harvest light and convert it to chemical energy. Chlorophyll molecules, other organic molecules and proteins are organized in the photosystems. A photosystem contains several light harvesting complexes that surround a reaction center. A reaction center complex also contains a primary electron acceptor. The pigment molecules collect energy and transfer it towards the central part of the photosystem called the reaction center. There are two types of photosystems found in the thylakoid membrane. They are photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. Photosystem 2 comes first in the path of electron flow but is named as second because it was discovered after photosystem 1. Each photosystem has a unique pair of chlorophyll A molecules, often called the special pair. The chlorophyll A molecules in photosystem 1 are called P700 since they absorb light of wavelength at 700 nanometers efficiently. The photosystem 2 special pair absorbs best at 680 nanometers. Therefore, it is called P680. Process of photosynthesis consists of two main stages and they are integrated. They are light-dependent reactions and the Kelvin cycle. In this video, we will talk about light-dependent reactions. Light energy is converted into chemical energy during the first stage of photosynthesis, which involves a series of chemical reactions known as the light-dependent reactions. In this stage, two molecules needed for the next stage of photosynthesis, the energy storage molecules ATP and the reduced electron carrier NADPH are produced due to the excitation of photosystem 1 and photosystem 2, which are embedded in thylakoid membranes of chloroplasts. Let's study about the procedure of light reactions. First, photosynthetic pigments in photosystems absorb light energy and the energy is passed inward from pigment to pigment until it reaches the reaction center through direct electromagnetic interactions in a process called resonance energy transfer. In photosystem 2, once energy is transferred to P680, an electron is boosted to a higher energy level. These electrons will be accepted by the primary electron acceptor of photosystem 2. The excited photosystem 2 is neutralized by the electron released as a result of the splitting of water. The splitting of water takes place as a result of an enzyme-catalyzed reaction and yields oxygen, H+ ions and electrons. The high energy level electrons in the electron acceptor of photosystem 2 will pass through an electron transport chain to photosystem 1 and neutralize the excited photosystem 1. The energy released due to the movement of electrons from higher energy state to lower energy state result in the synthesis of ATP. This is known as photophosphorylation because it involves using light energy. ATP is produced on the stromal side of the thylakoid membrane, so it is released into the stroma. When light energy is absorbed by the pigments in photosystem 1 and reached the reaction center, the electron in P700 is boosted to a very high energy level and accepted by a primary electron acceptor of photosystem 1. The excited P700 is neutralized by a new electron from photosystem 2. Then, the high energy electrons will pass through an electron transport chain and the electron is passed to NADP to make NADPH. The reduction of NADP is catalyzed by an enzyme called NADP reductase. Those ATPs and NADPH from the light-dependent reactions are used to make sugars in the next stage of photosynthesis. The process of light reactions described above is called linear electron flow or linear phosphorylation because electrons travel in a line from water through photosystem 2 and photosystem 1 to NADPH. There is another form of the light reactions where electrons follow a different circular path. It is called cyclic phosphorylation. This occurs in photosystem 1 but not in photosystem 2. Here, some photoexcited electrons use alternative cyclic pathway. After leaving photosystem 1, electrons flow down the chain to photosystem 1 to make ATPs. Here, NADPH are not produced since electrons are routed away from the NADPH reductase. So that's for today. Hope you enjoyed this video and gain lot of interesting facts about the first step of photosynthesis, light dependent reactions for your biological knowledge. So please subscribe this channel and click the bell icon. See you in the next video.